In my last video, I shared how I very aggressively paid off my student loans and paid for my MBA in cash. And some of you were wondering what I did with that money after I was done making payments. And that's a really good question. I did a few things and I put together this little guide for you if you find yourself in a situation with extra money that you don't know what to do with. There's no one-size-fits-all answer, but here are a few options to help you decide. First option is a lifestyle upgrade. There is nothing wrong with improving your lifestyle as long as it fits within your bigger financial plan. If you're already saving and investing consistently, upgrading your home, taking a trip, or enjoying something you've put off can be a good use of that money. The key is to making sure that it's a choice, not just a lifestyle inflation creeping in. Retirement investing is another option. If you want to build long-term wealth, consider maxing out an IRA or increasing your 401k contributions. The tax benefits make your money work harder, but keep in mind that the funds are locked away until your retirement, and if you need them, you can't use them. Taxable brokerage account, something like Vanguard or Charles Schwab, is another good option. If you want your money to grow but still be accessible, a taxable brokerage account lets you invest in stocks or index funds without the restrictions of a retirement account. The trade-off is that if you need the money when the market is down, you might have to sell at a loss. I once heard Warren Buffett's famous phrase, "Our favorite holding period is forever." And ever since, I've treated my investments the same way. Once my money is in, it stays in. So for me, when my money is invested, its purpose is just that, to stay invested. Another option is paying off your debts. I'm assuming that if you still had high interest debt, like credit card debt, you'd use any extra money to pay it off. It's a guaranteed return. If your credit card charges you 25% in interest, paying it off is like earning 25% risk-free. For lower interest debt like car loans or student loans, if the interest rate is higher than what you can earn from investing in a low-cost index fund, think 8%, then paying those off sooner may be a good move. But even if you have a zero interest loan that's eating at your brain, paying that off early might make you feel good, so you can choose to do that. And the last option is general savings. If you don't have a solid emergency fund, that should be a top priority. A high-yield savings account keeps your money safe and accessible for unexpected expenses without the risk of market fluctuations. When looking at these options, a good rule of thumb is balance. You can pick one or a combination of these if you suddenly have extra cash. If you don't intentionally decide what to do with the extra money, that monthly amount that frees up after you've paid off a loan or you got a promotion or a bonus at work, that money can just slip away. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.